Class, please stand for our opening prayer. So, Roxanne, can you lead the prayer?
Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am.
How are you today?
We're fine.
Before you take your seat, please pick up some vases under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. You may now take your seat.
Class secretary, how's our attendance for today?
Okay, Ma'am.
Very good. So, class, do you have an assigned class meeting?
None, Ma'am.
Okay. Before we start, I have here a classroom roll. So, everybody read.
Cooperate and participate. Raise your right hand when you want to answer. Avoid going in and out of the classroom. Avoid talking with your lips and face.
Is that clear for you, class?
Yes.
Before we proceed, as you can see, have a behavioral chart. So, but before that, I will group you into two groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. I will, each group have a couple tree. I will detach the fruit if you misbehave. Every tree contains 10 apples. Each apple equivalent of 10 points. The overall total is 100 points. Now I have a prepared video clip. All you need to do is to observe and listen attentively because afterwards I will be asking some questions. Is that clear for your class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Recyclable products or waste materials. Recycling is an excellent way of saving energy and conserving the environment. Many things thrown away can be recycled and turned into new products. There are many products that can be produced from recycled wood like plant boxes, chairs, garden accessories, wooden floor and garden decks. 2. Metal. Aside from wood, metals are highly savable in junk shops. Companies buy used cans to be recycled into metal packaging like canned goods and drinks. Cooking utensils. Home accessories and furnitures. 3. Paper. Examples of projects that are made from recycled paper are papier-mâché, paper flowers, gift wrappers, paper bag or purse, journals or memo pad, jewelry box, paper beads, photo frame and paper basket. material to recycle. Glass. There are many projects that can be produced out of used glass containers and bottles. Examples of these are glass bottles and art, vases, organizers, containers for condiments for the interior and exterior part of the house.
Class, what have you observed in the video? And then,
I observed in the video that the recycled materials is useful in our environment.
okay, very good. Did you find it interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, class, based on the video clip that I presented earlier, what do you think, or do you have any idea about our topic for today? Roxanne?
I think it's all about recycle, ma'am.
Okay, let's find out.
Three.
Our topic for this morning is all about recyclable products. But before we proceed to our discussion for today, let me present to you our objectives that we need to achieve at the end of the lesson. Everybody read.
Given the materials and activities, the students will be able to do the following tasks with at least 75% level of accuracy. Identify the products that can be recycled. Classify recyclable products and materials. And discuss the types of recyclable products.
Okay, thank you. In our video presentation a while ago, there are 5 main types of recyclable products that mentioned. Who can recall it? Roxanne?
Bottle and tin cans.
Okay, very good. So, the 5 main types of recyclable products that were mentioned in the video presentation earlier are plastic, metal, wood, glass. Now let's discuss one by one. But before that, we define first what is recyclable. Recyclable is an excellent way of conserving energy and saving the environment. Waste can be recycled and turned into the new products. Again, what is the recyclable class?
Recyclable is an excellent way of conserving energy and saving the environment. Waste can be recycled and turned into new products.
Okay, thank you. Now let's proceed. There are types of recyclable products. First is wood. This can be some form of houses, buildings, or fallen trees. Each wood can be processed, treated, and then put back into reserve as a new product. Wood pallets can be made into fine furniture or pictures. Recycled wood can be torn into the boxes, chains, garden accessories, ducks, flooring, and even dining tables. Again, what is wood, class?
Wood. This is wood is this some form houses, buildings, or fallen trees.
So this is a wood. They form as boxes, garden accessories, ducks, flooring, and even dining tables. So as you can see, the pictures have a tablespoon, bags, and so the second is a crab meat house. Who would like to read? Roxanne?
Scrap metal. Most of the metals come from food, drink, and spray cans. Cans are made of steel that can be melted and turned into new cans. Soft clean cans are made of aluminum that can be recycled easily. Metals are highly sellable in junk shops. Used cans are made into metal packaging or containers or other materials. These are used to create cooking utensils and home accessories.
The scrap metals are made of steel that can be melted and turned into the new cans. So, and the next type of recyclable is plastic. Everybody read?
It ranks number 1 in quantity in terms of waste.
It lasts a long time in the environment without breaking down. It is also difficult to recycle and considered as an environment harming. Plastic,
However, can be made into water and plant containers, desks, organizers, garden blocks, among others. Make an effort to recycle them. Collect used plastics and reuse them. Bring them to junk shop to convert them into cash.
Thank you. So the recyclable plastic, they can form a container or these forms of garden lamps and among others. So this is a plastics. As you can see in the pictures, they have a flower base, make a flower base, and also the fourth one is paper. So everybody read.
paper. It varies in color, thickness, and texture. While paper is made from higher quality raw materials than brown paper. This is why recycled white office paper can make more high-grade paper products. All newspaper, office papers, junk mails, and cardboards can be recycled to produce low-grade paper products. Corrugated cardboard is more difficult to recycle than thin cardboards. These can be used to make packaging for groceries, gifts, toys, cosmetics, and wardrobes. Recycled paper can be made into paper mat, paper flowers, gift wrappers, paper bags or purses, journals or memo pads, journaling boxes, paper clips, photo frames, paper baskets, among others.
Okay, thank you. So while paper is made for high quality raw materials than brown paper. So the paper recycle can made into Roxanne.
Paper machine.
Okay, thank you. So the recycled paper form a like this form of base, basket, and the form of And the last one is glass. Everybody read.
Unlike plastics, glass is the easiest material to reuse or recycle. It can be broken down into small pieces, metals, and reshaped into a new product. Glass containers and bottles can be turned into candle holders, sign art bottles, vases, organizers, house decorations, among others.
White glass is the easiest material for reuse or recycle. Roxanne.
Because it can be broken down into small pieces, metal, and then shaped into a new product.
Okay, thank you. So glass recycled is form of the form of the lights and class. Since you already understand our discussion for today, I will give you a group activity. So I will group you and type same group earlier. So all you need to do is everybody read for the instruction.
Classify the recyclable products in the box below, whether they are made of wood, metal, paper, plastic, and glass. They will write the products and materials in their columns, and they will do it on monomer paper.
Is that clear for your class?
Yes,
But before we proceed in doing your activity, this will be our criteria for your output. Following direction, 5 points. Cleanliness to your output, 5 points. Behavior in doing the activity, 5 points to the total of 18 points. Is that clear for your class?
yes.
I have here a material, so this will be the group 1 and group 2. In doing this activity, you are given 5 minutes to do the activity. The time starts now. Let's check your output. So I will check first in group 1. So group 1, so wood popsicle is correct. So metal, 10 cans. Is the answer of the group 1 correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Foil. So the group 2, wood, plywood, is the
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Tin can sa bitaw. Check. Sa paper, writing paper, plastic, straw, and the glass. Chelsea window. Now let's give a score for each group. For the group 1, following direction, and I observe not following direction, 4 points. Cleanliness your output so I can see it's not cleanliness. So I will give 3 points. Behavior and doing the activity, 5 points. Overall total, 12 points. For the group 2, following direction, follow ba ang group 2? So I will give a 5 points. Behavior and doing the activity for the group 2, nag-behave na sila. Give ourselves barangay claps. Do you know how to sing chikading chikading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing.
Chikiding, chikiding.
Naglupalupan, chikading, chikading, naglupalupan. May mga chikading, pato sa sanga.
Hulog ang isa.
Upat na lang sila, chikading, chikading, naglupalupan. May mga chikading, naglupalupan.
Okay, thank you. Again, class, what was our topic for today? Roxanne?
The topic we discussed now is all about recyclable products.
Okay, thank you. So, who can recall about what are the 5 types of recyclable products? Mary Christine?
Wood, plastic, glass, metal, and paper.
Is the answer of Mary Christine correct, class?
Yes.
ma'am.
Give the hands of. Why is plastic is good for recycling? Why is plastic good for recycling? Roxanne?
Because we can make a base, na mga decoration na sa balay.
Is the answer of Roxanne correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, is recyclable important, class? If yes, why? If no, why? Yeah, Roxanne?
Recyclable is important because it will help lessen the garbage, the waste. It can help lessen the garbage in our surroundings.
Okay, thank you, Roxanne. So it is important because waste have a negative impact in our natural environment. So let's give a hands for Roxanne. Now that you have well understand our lesson for today, I will give you a quiz. Everybody read for direction.
Identify what is being asked in each statement. Write your answer in the blank.
This one and pass. This one and pass. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please pass your paper for white. For your assignment, please read the direction.
Find recyclable products at home. Recycling of the products is a useful project. Consider examples of and any other sources.
Please get your assignment notebook and copy your assignment.
Is that clear for you, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go back for our behavioral chart. So as I observe for the group 1, very noisy. So I detach the apple. And for the group 2, as I observe, it's very noisy. So I will detach the 2 apples. So now let's add your points. So for the group 1, get the 92 points. For the group 2, 14 plus 80. Get the 94 points. So give the hands for everyone. Do you have any question, class?
None.
Thank you for your cooperation. So please stand for our closing prayer.
Amen.
Goodbye, class.
Bye.
Wait, Abang.